Hello guys, in today's video we're diving into a true beast, the FOSSiBOT F107 Pro. This isn't just your average phone, it's a rugged powerhouse built like a tank with a monstrous 28,000 mAh battery, Starlight Night Vision camera that sees in the dark like it's daylight, and durability that laughs in the face of drops, dust, weather, you name it. It's a flashlight, a power bank and a survival tool, and yes, a high-performance smartphone. Let's check it out in this FOSSiBOT F107 Pro video review. FOSSiBOT F107 Pro is packed in its brand traditional flat orange box. The design is minimalistic with only the silver logo of the brand on the front. So let's see what's inside. Besides our phone, there is the F107 Pro user manual, USB Type-C cable, even a 66-watt fast charger to charge this big beast of the battery. Here we also have a bag with the small screws and a micro screwdriver. They will help us to screw this useful phone holder into our smartphone. Given that the phone is large of size and weight, we also receive this efficient holder which will help you to handle such as a massive smartphone if you have smaller hands. Now that we examined the contents of the box, let's look at our smartphone. This is, without exaggeration, one of the biggest, most powerful and heaviest phone we had in our hands this year. And that's for good reason. F107 Pro is not designed to be compact, but to dominate. Its dimensions and mass may surprise the average user, but when you hold it in your hand, everything makes sense. We are not talking about the phone here, but about the real feel tool, a device that instills confidence from the very first contact. The back of the device combines a tactile rubberized layer with a metal plate in the middle that not only looks robust but also serves as additional protection for the most sensitive part of this case. To the touch, the metal exudes solidity. It's cool, precise, almost industrial. The F107 Pro is a phone that you can put on a muddy surface without a second thought. You can carry it in the rain, throw it on the ground, let's dive into a river, and it will still function as if nothing happened. Certifications like a MIL STT 800H, IP68 and IP69K are not marketing here, but confirmation that this phone has passed extreme tests. In steel frame, which further emphasizes the robustness of the smartphone, the first thing we'll find on the right side are the two buttons for increasing and decreasing the volume. Below is a power button which doubles as a fingerprint reader. On the left side, we find a dual SIM card slot that has a room for 2 nano 5G SIM cards or 1 nano SIM plus memory card. On the same side we also have these two buttons below. The first one is a red metal programmable button key that supports a wide variety of functions. This button can trigger 3 different actions: a single click, double click or long press. That means you have a total of 3 options, 3 functions or applications in a phone that you can launch with this one button. You also find this orange metal key below with a flashlight label. It's capable of activating the camping light. The F107 Pro comes equipped with a powerful dual flashlight at the top that delivers a 50-meter beam distance, perfect for outdoor adventures. Whether you are navigating a campsite at night, exploring a dark hiking trail, or need extra light for emergency situation, this flashlight provides bright, reliable illumination. With its longer range beam, you can light up the path ahead or signal for help, ensuring you never left in the dark during your night activities. Once you turn on the FOSSiBOT F107 Pro's display, it's hard to go back to anything else. This huge 6.95-inch FHD Plus display with the 120Hz refresh rate is a real cinema in your pocket, or in this case your backpack. The content on the screen is sharp, the animations are smooth, and the color reproduction is impressive both indoors or in direct sunlight. It's perfect for consuming content like YouTube, Netflix, Disney Plus or TikTok. Everything looks spacious, clean and visually rich. You can enjoy videos without straining your eyes because text and subtitles are readable even from a distance. And thanks to high brightness and the good contrast, the display doesn't hesitate outdoor either, meaning you can use it without any problems to watch videos while camping or simply relaxing under the open sky. The rear-mounted 180 dB loudspeaker complete the impression, providing sound loud and clear enough that you don't always have to reach for headphones. At the top of the screen there is a 32-megapixel selfie camera discreetly placed, ready for quick self-portraits or quality video calls. If you are a multimedia enthusiast looking for a device for extreme conditions, the F107 Pro combines the best of both worlds. The robustness on the screen with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. The F107 Pro is not only durable, it is also technologically powerful. At the heart of this phone is the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra chipset, manufactured in a 6nm process with up to 2.5 GHz, which allows you for smooth and fast application execution, multitasking and playing demanding games. The phone comes with a 12GB of RAM, and thanks to the virtual expandable memory, it can be expanded up to 30GB of RAM, which is rare even among high-end smartphones. With the 512GB of internal UFS storage, users have plenty of space for applications, photos and videos. The phone runs on the Android 15, the latest version of the operating system that brings improvements in privacy, battery optimization and support for new apps. For connectivity, the phone supports 5G networks, enable fast data transfer and a stable connection. There's also NFC for contactless payments and GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and Beidou systems for precise navigation, which is especially useful for users who are often in remote or demanding environments. Combined with the truly huge 28,000 mAh battery, the F107 Pro is built for extended adventures. With just one charge, it delivers up to 30 days of standby, 250 hours of talk time and 133 hours of music playback. Whether you are out camping, trekking through the remote trails or spending days off the grid, it keeps going strong, perfect for long outdoor missions where charging isn't the option. The phone charges at lightning speed with a 66W fast charging, so you'll back in action in no time. And when your other gear runs low, it's got your back. Thanks to 10W reverse charging, you can power up your devices straying from your phone, whatever off the grid or deep in the outdoors. If you thought rugged phones couldn't have serious photographic capabilities, think again. The F107 Pro goes far beyond expectations in this segment. Staring an impressive 200-megapixel Samsung sensor is not only captures an incredible amount of details, but does so with incredible clarity and precision. Photos captured with this sensor are rich in color, depth and sharpness even in challenging lighting conditions. The main camera also supports high-resolution recording, potentially up to 4K with electronic image stabilization for smooth footage. It is accompanied by the 50-megapixel Sony wide-angle camera that also takes on the function of a macro lens, ideal for capturing landscapes, group photos and selfie and close-up details. To truly appreciate the camera's performance, let's delve into a few samples captured using our F107 Pro camera, so let's take a look. But what really sets the F107 Pro apart is the Starlight Night Vision camera, a technology that pushes the boundaries of night photography. Something we never seen on a smartphone before. Imagine standing in the middle of the forest, far from city lights, surrounded by the sounds of the night and the soft glow of the stars above you, or maybe in a nearby park like us, you are holding your phone in your hand and without turn on the flash or additional light, you simply point the camera, press the button, and a picture opens up on the screen as where it's broad daylight. This is not a science fiction, but a reality brought to you by the Starlight Night Vision camera on the F107 Pro. This advanced technology uses the ultra-sensitive CMOS sensor that can capture full color in almost complete darkness. The difference between this and the classic night vision is dramatic. Where others sees only darkness and gray contours, Starlight Night Vision reveals colors, shapes and depth on the field without any additional lighting. Unlike standard night models that rely on multiple scene lighting and digital brightening, this camera uses a minimal ambient light such as moonlight or starlight to natural and fully reconstruct the scene. Whether you are documenting a nighttime expedition, photography, wildlife, or simply exploring the unknown, the F107 Pro Starlight Night Vision camera lets you see clear what others hide in the dark. The FOSSiBOT F107 Pro isn't just a rugged phone, it's built to withstand conditions where the other phones give up. With official IP68 and IP69K certifications, the device can easily withstand immersion in water, dust, mud, and even water jets. It also meets the MIL-STD 810H military standard, meaning it can survive drops, vibrations, shocks, and extreme temperatures. Designed with special attention to durability in off-road scenarios, the solid body, metal side frames, and rubberized tactile layer on the back create a feeling of security in the hand, while all the certifications confirm that you will feel in practice this is a device you can trust no matter the challenge. It's not just a tool, it's a partner. You can rely on it anytime, whether work or adventure takes you. The F107 Pro is an extremely durable 5G smartphone with a huge long-lasting 28,000 mAh battery, a top-notch 200 megapixel Samsung camera, and unique Starlight Night Vision technology that allows you to shoot in complete darkness. With up to 30GB of RAM, 512GB of storage, a powerful Dimensity 7300 Ultra processor, this phone combines raw power, durability, and modern technological highlights in one. And if you are interested in purchasing this impressive phone, and I'm sure you are, official sales links are available below this video. Don't miss your chance to take advantage of promotional pricing available now, so hurry up and order yourself a new FOSSiBOT F107 Pro rugged phone today while there is a chance, because quantities are limited. That's all for now. We'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.